Tile guys are on the deck, second day. It's hot out here. Spacers are all through the tile so we can get all the corners nice and plumb and level. Don't any sharp edges, any slippage. Lower bath, bedroom 3. Plumbers have got everything opened up. They'll put in the shower base next. We just put in the bath fan. It's on the wall. You can see how they've ducted it out through the wall. It's a very short distance. That makes the fan much more efficient. We like that. So the furnace is still going to be in the mechanical room. Right now they're fabricating all of their parts and pieces, the big plenums for the furnace. We're going to build all this and then the furnace will show up and off we go. Fireplace has been installed. We're going to go ahead and get ready to put slate on this fireplace. We're going to wrap the balance of the framing with a 1/2-inch concrete backer board. And then we'll have our slate pattern that's going to go floor to ceiling up here. This is my little writing. I've done some layout notes so I know what I've got for dimensions as to where best to hit the joints to make it all line up and look like we had a plan. Floor registers, we saw those upstairs a few minutes ago. That's what it looked like from down below. So now we'll tap a supply line all the way down through this bay, down to that main furnace back in the furnace room. That's how we supply these runs. All right, today's tour. All the rough-in work's happening, electrical, HVAC, plumbing, siding guys are here. Things are moving pretty fast. I have to be on site a lot of small questions come up, a lot of decisions will be made. It's going to be this way. We'll get this rough-in finished from all the cycles here probably in the next 4 to 6 days. And we'll cycle through our inspections, then we can get into the fire sprinkler system, then the insulation, and then we go to drywall. So there's where we are today. It's a good day today.